Bitcoin just got cut in half again. Last October, everyone was shouting that 126k was the starting point of a new era. Everyone was excited, but today the price has dipped down to 59k. And with that, the tidal wave of doubt and criticism is back full force. If I remember correctly, that's the fifth time. Yes, it's the fifth major crypto crash I've lived through. And a lot of people are DMing me, asking me the same old questions. Cédric, is Bitcoin dead? Is crypto dead? Can we still believe in all this? If this is your first time going through one, trust me, I totally get that feeling of despair. It's really, yeah, that's something. This market is something. That being said, the narrative right now is pretty interesting. Some people are saying Bitcoin isn't a safe haven asset at all. It's just a highly leveraged tech stock that institutions have messed up. And others compare it to Ethereum, pointing out that Ethereum keeps upgrading, evolving internally, while Bitcoin is just this functionless, yieldless, non-composable financial zombie that deserves to just sit and rot in ETF vaults. It really sounds like Bitcoin has aged out and can't keep up with the times, right? But I want to think about one thing. If you were cheering wildly for Bitcoin at 120k, why do you start doubting? Doubting its value the moment it drops to 60k. Has its code changed at all during this whole time? Some people even complain that it's too rigid. Still no real payment features, no composability, no yield. But let me tell you something. In the past 5,000 years, has gold ever added any new features? Does gold have smart contracts? Can it do instant flash payments? No, it hasn't changed. It's still used for jewelry, some, industry stuff, computers and stuff. But yeah, the main part is just gold being gold. The reason gold is precisely because it's so rigid, because it's unchanging. In an era where algorithms evolve every day, policies flip overnight, and fiat currencies flutter like paper, what humanity is most short of has never been changed. It's unchangeability. There is that old saying in Chinese that I really like. There is only one thing that never changes. It's the fact that everything changes. We really have so few things that are unchangeable, that they are precious. Ethereum is busy tweaking its monetary policy, swapping out engines. That's its mission. It's meant to be the engine, of the digital world. But Bitcoin, its mission is just to stay the same, to stand guard. It's protecting for all humanity the simplest mathematical truth. 21 million coins, period, non-negotiable. Everything will stay the same forever. Some would say that ETFs are just an add-on that doesn't actually improve Bitcoin itself. And that's true, but the logic is too narrow. It's like saying railroads and train stations didn't change the atomic structure of steel. Correct? They didn't, but without railroads, steel is just ore sitting useless in the mountains in the ground. Railroads, it became the backbone of modern civilization. So ETFs aren't locking Bitcoin away. They are building the railroad for Bitcoin. Once it connects to the 100 trillion traditional financial world, Bitcoin won't need to keep proving what it can do. It will already have become the financial settlement layer of the entire digital financial system. And yeah, others are hung up on why did it lose to gold this time? That's funny. Actually, there is no real loser here. When Bitcoin was up hundreds of percent in a year, I didn't think gold was losing. I was buying gold and silver. I bought a lot of silver in March 2020. I told you about that before, I think in one of the last videos. And now that Bitcoin is pulling back, I don't think Bitcoin is losing either. I'm just DCAing, adding to my stack. Because they are both useful. They are just at different stages of life with different sizes of consensus. I own gold and I own Bitcoin. There is no conflict in that. There is no competition between those two. The competition is with the traditional finance, fiat money. So here is the thing. When gold first entered free trading markets in the 70s, it also went through massive volatility. Friends, gold is a 500-year-old adult, emotionally stable. Bitcoin, it's only 17 years old, still a hot-blooded teenager if you like. So if you enjoyed the 100-fold gains that come with being a teenager, isn't the rebellion and the wild mood swings just part of growing up? Of course, I still have to be honest with you. This is still a high-risk game. If you're looking to double your money next week, Bitcoin really isn't for you. Don't go in saying, yeah, it's the bottom now and I will go like 10x, 50x leverage. No. But we are right in the middle of a historic shift. From where we stand today, it's all controversy and noise. But 30 years from now, 50 years, you might look back and be grateful that you stayed so convicted through moments like this. For me, every single dip isn't a disaster. It's the best time to stack more chips, as I was saying. So remember this one line. Price is a reflection of sentiment, but code is truth. Code is law. 30 days ago, Bitcoin was 21 million coins. Today, it's still 21 billion coins. 1 Bitcoin is 1 Bitcoin. If you still believe the world needs a digital anchor that requires no permission, that can't be inflated, if you don't like inflation, yes, and you think we need something that can't be shut down, then there is no reason a few red candlesticks should scare you off. Since nothing fundamentally has changed at the base layer, we just keep moving forward. This is my 5th major crash, and that's what I think about it. How about you? How many cycles did you went through? In this storm, are you going to put a bucket under the tap at 60k and catch the water? Or are you going to throw the bucket away and yes, just leaving the boat? Drop your plan in the comments. Let's talk about it together. I'm Cédric. None of this above, of course, is investment advice. It's just my story, what I did and what I do. Do your own research and stuff like that. You know the drill. See you in the next one.